I wanted to add an extra large car graphic to my garage, so I got this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. This is not my first Displate, which I think stands for display plate, but it's one that I got because my last one I really enjoyed. It was really cool. But I thought maybe I would go with a really big one. Now, the other reason I went with this is because this is actually close to my wall heater in my garage. I wanted something that was not going to catch on fire. I wasn't going to run a risk of having something combust unexpectedly. And Displates are made from metal. So what's really cool about them is I don't really have to worry about them getting burned. Now, I also have a flat surface. And my experience mounting these is that it's really easy, so I really like that too. Now this one's interesting because it's the extra large. Now you might be saying, Pete, that box doesn't look extra large. Well, the extra large Displates, they don't actually come in an extra large format. They come in basically a 4-panel of the medium plates, I believe. So let's take a look at what we get here. So if I open this up, we've got lots of stuff here. You're supposed to draw a picture in there and tweet it or something. We also have, looks like a little installation kit here. Now this is what I'm talking about. So what we get here is the assembly guide and all the stuff. Now the first part about mounting this is this little piece of paper right here. This actually makes this removable, so you want to put this on your drywall. This is going to protect it because this is going to be a little easier to remove from your drywall than this piece here. This piece, as you might be able to see, has a peel away side, and this is double-sided sticky tape, like mounting tape. And then you're going to put that in the middle here on this paper once you get this on the wall. This side is a magnet, so the Displate will stick to this, and then you can make some adjustments. So if this isn't hung up correctly, if it's slightly off center, if it's slightly misaligned, it's not going to matter. You can make those adjustments to your Displate itself. And of course you get 4 of these for the 4 plates. All right, now on to the plates itself. So here's one of the plates, and they are numbered here. If you know what picture you're looking at, you can kind of figure out where these go. Because they get attached via magnets, even if you put them up in the wrong place, you can certainly fix that. So 1, 2, you can see the picture coming together. This is actually a Mazda race car. They are wrapped in plastic, and these are metal. What you can see here is that they are printed on there. They're wrapped in plastic. I'm going to get all that off, and then the edges are folded over. Just like that, all right? And so this is the back of the Displate. They are pretty thin, you know, which is nice because they're really going to hug the wall. So I have 4 of these panels right here. So I'm going to unwrap these, mount the sticky pad to the wall, and the magnet on top of that, get these hung up, and see how they look. All right, so this is where I want to mount it. And so because this is pretty big, I'm actually going to start this pretty low. And what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to eyeball where I'm going to put this. And then what I'm going to do is just take this sticker here, and I'm going to apply it to the drywall. Smooth it out, and then I'm just going to stick it in the sticker magnet square there. I can actually take my Displate now and actually put it right up there, and the magnet should hold that up. Now I can index everything else I need right off of that. And now I'm just going to do the rest around there. So there she blows. To me, that looks pretty good. It's actually impressive how helpful this little tiny level is to get it straight, because when you are right there, it's hard to kind of see. But one of the things that I love about this is I had a big empty space here, drywall. So it fills it up with this XL Displate. And it's really easy. You can see it's super flush to the wall, and it's metal. Even though I have the space heater below it, I don't have to worry about that burning up. And it's just really colorful and looks great. So if you want to add something to your wall, metal plates that are as easy as sticking up sticky magnets to the wall and then dropping the plates on there, well, then you're going to love these. Now, you don't have to get a car, a Mazda race car like this one. You can get airplanes, scenery, other mechanical devices. So you can find something that suits your motif. So if dressing up your environment with metal plates is going to make you a little happier, I'll put a link to these Displates in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out!
We can discover more and explore so much deeper. We can live better than ever face.